Oh, there's an FHP up here, too.
Okay. You said you said rip a wheelie? They know what we doing.
Oh yeah, dude, they're out today. All over the interstate. I just left Coles and there's like 10 of them at least.
So why should we go on I-10?
That's FHP.
Where?
Right there? Are you blind?
Did you miss it?
Yeah.
Are you blind? Can you not see?
The only guy that's shaped like an FHP.
Hey, FHP right behind us, y'all boys.
For us all.
FHP right behind us, y'all boys.
Yep, keep it chilling.
Yeah, that's what I thought you meant when you said FHP.
No, there was two of them. There was a regular car and there was an undercover.
Is the undercover?
There's undercover right behind me, y'all boys.
Anybody who doesn't have plates? Are we all rocking plates?
I don't know, but I got mirrors. My mirror fell off. You know, I probably should stay home today. I kind of want to pull over just to be funny.
Nah, we good.
Yeah, okay. There he goes. Hey, FHP right there. Left side, far left lane.
You talking about the undercover? He ain't doing nothing. He's just cruising.
He was just behind my ass running my plate. I'm not trying to hit none of that.
That car's gonna get pulled.
Yeah, right? Oh my god! This car right behind us finna get. Oh, here he goes.
Oh, yeah, he has no plate.
He has no plate?
I don't see a plate. Oh, it's very hidden. He might get pulled over for that. No, don't race in front of him.
What?
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
He's
getting him! It's getting him!
See you, buddy. Alright, y'all, I'm pulling up. It's time for me to go home.
Nah, just stick with the pack, Courtney. You're good. You didn't do anything.
You're damn right. He's going to jail. He's going to jail.
Yeah, that's criminal speed.
That's not good.
Duh.
His thing says, I will run. He might take off.
No, he's not running. He already got him.
Yeah, I think.
Hey, alright, keep going straight.
Yeah,
there's an FHP straight ahead too that already put somebody over.
I'm not pulling.
Yeah, we just gonna keep going. We ain't got. There's an exit at Mahan, right?
He's pulling all of us.
Why?
No, he ain't pulling all of us. We didn't do anything.
Alright, go.
Holy shit, they posted up deep. Where you guys going?
We're coming.
Yeah, they're posted up. I was just curious on what was happening.
I don't know what's going on there, but we just gonna keep going, Courtney. We didn't do anything.
You know what's going on. I guess the power of the center is wonderful.
Yeah, dude. They are.
Hey, y'all. Oh, hey, they're deep, bro. Hey.
Yeah, we getting off this ASAP.
This has clearly been a bad idea.
I mean, we don't do that.
Definitely, we have a Fed for sure in the group chat. The crazy thing is, I love how they only pulled out for the bikes, so they know what the fuck's going on. They read that.
Bro, like they saw it. And you know what's crazy is that we said not to do it, and we're not doing nothing.
He's right next to you.
That's okay. We aren't doing it. I didn't turn my 360 on. What was I thinking?
What is he doing?
Oh my god, they're all pulling out. Oh shit. Alright, we gotta get off this ASAP, dude.
Yeah, he's taking off because we're not doing anything.
No, there's still more behind us.
Well, they're escorting us is all they're doing.
We're not doing anything. We're not doing anything. This is crazy. You got your GoPro on, right?
Oh, he waved at me! Hey, what is he doing? What the... Oh, he said gun it. Motherfucker.
No, bullshit!
I'm not doing that shit, dude. What?
He said rip away?
No, stop it. And then go to the Circle K, alright? And we are going to sit there until bullshit passes because I got a feeling they're gonna do something stupid. I'm not here for it.
Well, they have to have a reason to pull us, and we're not doing anything, therefore they can't pull us, so we're... Oh, they pulled over Kevin?
Why?
Oh, why?
Why?
I don't know.
Yeah, we gotta get off this ASAP.
Yeah, but we gotta go.
Yeah, that exits us, right?
Yeah, we're getting off right there, bro. Betty, I'm going to Mom's house. Wow, he's finna hit the brakes. Whoa.
Oh, that's crazy.
I don't know why.
That's crazy.
Yeah, let's get some gas, bro.
That's crazy, dude. They wanted us so bad.
Yo, what? He just turned around, wait for him.
No,
You know he was furious, dude.
Oh, yeah, no, he was like, oh, they're gonna go too. No, sir.
I told you, they posted that thing. They ain't fucking around.
It's time to get home. You got this on camera?
I guess he's here for us. I don't know.
Clearly.
What's going on? You here for us or what's up?
This brakes are fire.
Oh.
Wow. Where you going, sir? Hey, how are you doing?
We're doing alright.
You're huge. I don't think you were saying doing a wheelie.
I can't even do a wheelie.
But you were saying, okay, by an unmarked vehicle.
We got it on camera.
I need your license.
Yeah. I mean if you didn't do it, you didn't do it, you're fine. What's going on?
Sure.
So you're here for him then, huh?
Here for him. He's him for him.
Oh, okay. Oh, and you're just hanging out? I got you.
I wonder where that undercover is that saw me do it.
I don't know.
I saw was the one that was behind all of us when we got on I-10.
Yeah, when we pulled in and
There was two of
that
them.
one on the side.
There was that one behind us.
We were going 25 miles an hour.
I'm waiting on the captain that observed you do the wheeling. He's going to email me the citation. And I'm going to give you the citation. Okay? Because obviously it's got to be the one. That's insane. It's like $1,000.
1,200? Yeah, I got one a couple years ago.
I think it's because I have no shirt on. It's gotta be. I look like a delinquent.
Someone else drove?
I don't think so.
Yeah, where are you going?
He's going home. Like a smart man.
I told him the gas station.
I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm next. I'm going home.
Man, we didn't even do anything. I mean,
No, what's the house?
he's being accused of it, but he didn't even do anything either.
We may have saved y'all's life today.
Think so?
Everything happens for a reason.
Yeah. You get a ticket?
Man.
They said he did a wheelie.
I'll do this. Fucking road pirates right? Like, nothing there to do with fucked up. You just pull over people that break the law. Right, man. It's bullshit, dude. If y'all could realize that. You don't care though, because y'all are up here and we're down here, right? Nobody's ever said that. Well, that came out of your mouth. Why are they here? What are y'all doing?
So supposedly he did a wheelie, which I mean we all know he didn't. Wait,
I have it on mine. There's no more cameras out here.
listen, they say they got it. We say they don't. It'll go to court. It is what it is.
Hey, where did he pop his imaginary wheelie at?
It's okay. Look,
Who pulled him over? Once again, I didn't see it. Okay, so why? So who saw it? Who saw his wheelie? That was another trooper. Another trooper that's not here, man. This is fucking bullshit, dude. He just wants to be a road pirate. That's what it is. Yeah, that's it. You got me figured out. How do I do? I want road pirates abolished, man. Like I don't believe in any of it.
you said you gave him the finger and they pulled you over?
I was giving them all the finger, man.
Well, I mean that probably didn't help.
Well,
I mean it's not illegal, but it probably didn't help.
So I worry about, how comfortable if you're alive.
you're like what? You're like 250 pounds, dude. You're out here. What the
Damn.
What are you gonna do when you pull somebody over? Like seriously? Yeah, washed up.
It's a 360 camera, it records everything. I'm just trying to get a good like still image, post it in the group chat and be like, you guys missed out.
You need to go get a bell.
Huh?
You need to go get a bell.
A gremlin bell? Superstition says you have to buy one, or somebody else has to buy one for you. You can't buy it yourself or it doesn't work.
What did you really get for?
The little bell, it's supposed to keep you safe out on the road.
That's just what it is. Like, all I understand, so you just spend a lot of fatalities on motorcycles. So, anytime a lot of anything all happens, we get the call, let's do it. We still maintain a level of professionalism, unlike this thing over here, man.